Okay, YouTube, today I'm just gonna go real quick with this. I won't be making any videos until about maybe Thanksgiving break. And yeah, and which is about 2 months away from right now. Right now I'm gonna show you guys and tell you guys about what torrents are. I'm doing these kind of videos because I do not know. I don't have time to make game videos. So I'm going to try my best to put out some videos like this. So first I'm going to go over torrents in my first tutorial. So the first torrent site I'm going to go to is the Pirate Bay. The Pirate Bay is my normal torrents client, torrent site. Torrents are illegal. You cannot use torrents just anywhere. And AVD says it is a bad site, but it's not a bad site. It's been used for about a month. And that's the first one. All these torrent sites are illegal, but they're pretty good. And torrents are a way for you to get applications that you would have to buy. For instance, if you wanted to get Microsoft Word 2000, whatever version, 2010, 2007, 2003, 2000, you can get that because torrent. It basically is a cracked file. Usually you have to crack it yourself. It gives you like a file, everything you need to crack it yourself. And it's pretty self-explanatory. I'll be making tutorials on how you do that. Now torrent triad or something like that. Oh man, I messed up. Copying. Oh man, alright. Torrent reactor. Okay, it's a good site too. All these sites are good, and they are all illegal at the same time. But I mean, if you don't feel like paying for it, then I don't see why you should want to pay for it. But I mean, if you really don't just have the money, you want to really play that game, then I would recommend you just use torrents until you have the money to buy. Because I wouldn't recommend abuse unless you really just are not grateful because you know that if you know that you can buy the game and you just don't buy it because I had this torrent and I don't have to buy nothing, and that's just like you're not grateful, really. But if you're that kind of person, then oh well. And there's nothing I have to go over. There are two main torrent clients. The first one is BitTorrent. It's a good one. I use uTorrent. I still haven't updated it, but I'm looking to do that soon. BitTorrent is a good torrent thing, but I mean, it really doesn't matter which one you get because I've used BitTorrent too, and it's exactly like uTorrent. I mean, only thing different is the icon right here. They look exactly the same. So you can do whatever. Maybe in another video I'll install my uTorrent and walk you through the process on what to do while installing it, and just showing you how to use torrents. And in this video I'm going to give you just a quick example on how you can get something free. Okay, go to my favorite torrent site, the Pirate Bay. Right, I'm gonna go there. Okay, it's gonna load up to see what Windows updates. Couple of updates I gotta do. Dang, that's a lot of updates. Okay, now, I mean, if you want PaintShop you can get PaintShop for free. Now, some of these ones, they might not start working like right on the spot because they're big files. good. Not take that long. I'm gonna do this one. And just press download this torrent if you're using the Pirate Bay. And it's just simple as that. And then it's gonna ask you which torrent thing you want to use if you have multiple torrent clients. LimeWire tries to act like a torrent client, so it might ask me to use LimeWire. I'm gonna go back and try once more. Gives you the full version already. And open with uTorrent as default, or you can use any other one. Open with uTorrent, and your downloads thing is gonna open, and the uTorrent thing is gonna open. And you just exit out the downloads if you're using Firefox, and then this is gonna come. It might not stop around the spot. If you want to, you can do force start. But that's just an example of how you should do a torrent and what torrents are. Thank you guys for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and also remember, I will be back on the Thanksgiving break to make a couple of 2K videos all week long, since I'm usually not doing nothing on Thanksgiving but eating and gravy and stuff like that. I will be trying to make some videos. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and please rate, subscribe, and love you guys.